There we go. That new door matches so much better with the rest of the wall now that it's all the same white. Look at that purty baby. This fucker was the last outside door that I have to do. The last exterior door that I had to do on the house. So now I still have 2 interior doors, but check out the outside of the house now. This one is pretty much my front door. It's the one I use as my front door, nice and green. Then we come over here. Yeah, that's the technical front door. Beautiful and green. Everything's looking purty in there. Over here, yet another door. Purty and green. Let's walk around the side here. Taking a walk, going down the old side of the house, and we come around here. And this wasn't hiding inside here. Yeah, look at that, nice and green. Still have to paint all this shit and get some boards under there and paint those white. Well, that's not a big deal. Then we come around here. Coming round the backside, coming round your backside. And this is the porch that I stained. We got that one nice and greened up. Yeah, look at that, purty. And we got that one nice and greened up. Yeah, and then if we come around here, this is back to where that white door is that I just painted. Way down there. So the exterior doors are done, thank fucking goodness. And now I just have a couple interior doors to do, and hopefully the doors are done, baby.